Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Pakistan Studies 2 Muslim Struggle in British India कोर्स कोड 6489 के साथ डॉक्टर समीना यास्मीन. फर्स्ट यूनिट से हम स्टार्ट करते हैं द वॉर ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस. This course examines the historical, political and ideological developments that led to the creation of Pakistan. It explores the major events from War of Independence in 1857 to the Lahore Resolution of 1940 and the final partition of the subcontinent in 1947. It also discusses British constitutional reforms, Hindu-Muslim relations, and the rise of Muslim nationalism in South Asia. Overall, this course aims to provide an understanding of the struggle, logic, and historical circumstances that resulted in the establishment of Pakistan. After studying this course, you will be able to critically examine the developments of the first united rebellion against colonial rule in India and understand its impact on Muslim political awakening. They will analyze Hindu-Muslim differences in religious, political, social, and economic spheres, along with Hindu reactions to the partition of Bengal and its annulment. This course enables you to understand the objectives and failures of Khilafat movement, comprehend the significance of Allama Muhammad Iqbal's Allahabad Address of 1930, and evaluate the effects of Congress rule from 1937 to 1939 on Muslim politics and the demand for Pakistan. Now we see the background of revolt of 1857. वो क्या वजूहात थी, क्या फैक्टर्स थे, कौन से मुहर्रकात थे जिनकी वजह से जंग आज़ादी शुरू हुई. The revolt of 1857 was the first major organized resistance against British rule in India. It started as the mutiny of Indian sepoys in the East India Company's army, but soon turned into a wider rebellion involving civilians, rulers, and local communities. The revolts reflected deep resentment against British political domination, social reforms, and economic exploitation. Mangal Pandey and beginning of the revolt. Mangal Pandey played a symbolic role in triggering the revolt when he attacked British officers at Barrackpur in March 1857. His refusal to use greased cartridges reflected growing anger among soldiers over religious interference. His execution intensified anti-British feelings and inspired further rebellion. ये जो वॉर थी ये मैरूत से शुरू हुई. रिवोल्ट ऑफिशियली स्टार्टेड इन मैरूत on 10th May 1857 when Indian soldiers refused to use a new Enfield rifle cartridges. After being punished and publicly humiliated by British officers, the sepoys rebelled and attacked British installations. They later marched towards Delhi to seek support and strengthen the rebellion. This event transformed military unrest into the broader anti-colonial movement. The uprising quickly spread to major cities including Delhi, Lucknow, Kanpur, Jhansi, and Bihar. It attracted participation from soldiers, peasants, landlords, and deposed rulers who opposed British rule. The rebellion showed that dissatisfaction with British governance was widespread. However, the revolt remained regionally concentrated and did not gain support across all of the parts of the India. जिसको बगावत अंग्रेज़ कहता था, मुसलमान इसको जंग आज़ादी कहते थे. इसकी कुछ कॉजेज़ थीं. सबसे पहले हम उसके पॉलिटिकल कॉजेज़ देखते हैं. British annexation policies, especially the doctrine of lapse, created fear among Indian rulers. Several princely states such as Jhansi and Nagpur were annexed, while adopted heirs were denied succession rights. This policy deeply angered rulers and increased political instability. It also convinced many Indian leaders that British rulers threatened their sovereignty and political future. सोशल और रिलीजियस कॉजेज़ थी। आइए देखते हैं कि वो क्या थी। ब्रिटिश इंटरफेरेंस इन सोशल एंड रिलीजियस प्रैक्टिसेस अलार्म्ड इंडियन सोसाइटी. Reforms such as abolition of sati, widow marriage laws, and the missionary activities created suspension among Hindus and the Muslims. Many believed that British rule threatened traditional customs and religious identity. This fear increased resistance against colonial authorities among conservative sections of the society. Economic causes क्या थीं? British economic policies damaged Indian traditional economy and increased poverty. Heavy taxation burdened peasants while cheap British manufactured goods destroyed local industries. Artisans, farmers, and traders suffered severe economic losses under colonial rule. The economic exploitation created widespread anger and strengthened anti-British feelings among the population. लास्ट पे जो मिलिट्री कॉजेज़ थी जिसकी वजह से ये सारा कुछ शुरू हुआ, इंडियन सोल्जर्स फेस्ड डिस्क्रिमिनेशन इन सैलरीज, promotion, and rank compared to British soldiers. They were often posted far from home and expected to follow policies against their beliefs. The General Services Enlistment Act further increased dissatisfaction amongst boys. Military grievances became one of the strongest immediate causes behind the outbreak of the revolt. Immediate cause of the revolt trigger was the introduction of Enfield rifle cartridges rumored to be greased with cow and pig fat. Such soldiers had to bite these cartridges. Both Hindus and Muslim boys found them religiously offensive. This issue deeply hurt religious sentiments and created outrage. It transformed long-standing grievances into direct rebellion against the British. Main events and the leaders of the revolt. Important centers of revolt included Delhi, Lucknow, Kanpur, Jhansi, and Gwalior. Major leaders such as Bahadur Shah Zafar, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Nana Sahib, Tantia Topi, and Begum Hazrat Mahal led resistant efforts. The leadership gave the revolt a broader political and symbolic dimensions. These figures are remembered for the courage and comments to resisting colonial rule. Failure of the revolt. The revolt failed due to lack of unity, centralized leadership, and proper military coordination. Many regions and rulers did not support the rebellions, while the British had superior weapons and financial resources. Internal divisions among rebels also weakened the movement. Despite failure, the revolt exposed weaknesses in British administration and military policies. In the end, results and significance of the revolts. The revolt of 1857 ended the rule of East India Company and transferred control of India directly to the British Crown. New administrative reforms were introduced under Queen Victoria after the revolt. Although unsuccessful, it awakened political consciousness amongst Indians. It is remembered as an important milestone in the later struggle for the independence and national awakening. The revolt of 1857 was a landmark event in the history of the Indian subcontinent, representing the first large-scale challenge to British colonial rule. Although the movement failed because of limited unity, weak leadership, lack of resources, it exposed widespread dissatisfaction with British political, economic, social, and military policies. The revolt ended the rule of East India Company and brought India under direct British Crown administration. Most importantly, it awakened political consciousness among Indians and laid the foundation for future independence movements in South Asia. This is the end of our first unit. You have already read it. If you find any query, any question, you can write in comments box. Otherwise, you can contact the department for your guidance. Teachers are always there to help you. Thank you.